morning, dear children. Today I am teaching clothes in India. Class 3 EVS Part 6 Chapter 16. In Part 5 I have explained to you about fabric designs like block printing, tie and dye, kalamkari. So all this we learnt in Part 5. So in this part let us have the exercise session. So first main we have tick the correct option. So first question is, in Jammu and Kashmir, salwar kameez is known as dash. So the options are scarf, salwar, B, firan, salwar, C, both of these. So the answer is firan, salwar. Okay children, so in Jammu and Kashmir, salwar kameez is known as firan, salwar. So second question, in Assam, women wear dash. Options are salwar kameez, B, mekhla chadar, C, lehenga. So the answer is mekhla chadar. In Assam, women wear mekhla chadar. Third question, it is a primary color, orange, pink, green. So which of the following is primary color? So what is the answer? That is green. Green is a primary color. Fourth one, in Himachal Pradesh, men wear dash. So the options are kurta, pajama, B, firan, salwar, C, lungi and shirt. So in Himachal Pradesh, men wear firan, salwar. Okay. So next, it is the artwork done on clothes with a special pen. So what is the answer? That is kalamkari. So the options are kalamkari, tie and dye, none. So the answer is kalamkari is the artwork done on clothes with a special pen. So next question, it can be called as the national dress of women in India. So the options are jeans top, B, salwar kameez, C, sari. What is the answer? That is sari. Can be called as the national dress of women in India. Okay. So seventh question. In Kerala, men wear a lungi called dash. A, chadar, B, mundu, C, dhoti. So the answer is mundu. In Kerala, men wear a lungi called mundu. So next main we have fill in the blanks. So the first question is, we wear different clothes according to the dash. So we wear different clothes according to the seasons. Okay. So next, dash is the interlacing of two or more threads or piece of material in order to create a cloth. Waving. So waving is the interlacing of two or more threads or pieces of materials in order to create a cloth. So next, in dash, men wear kurta, lungi along with a turban. So in Punjab, men wear kurta and lungi along with a turban. Okay. So the most common type of fabric used in block printing is dash. That is cotton. The most common type of fabric used in block printing is cotton. Fifth one. So Bihar is famous for its work of dash. What is the answer? Kalamkari. Bihar is famous for its work of kalamkari. Okay. So this is the exercise session, but you should know this summary, that is kalamkari, block printing, tie and dye, and women dress clothes in India, men clothes in India. Okay. So the questions are, you have to mention the names of dress in these states, okay, of men. Punjab, Rajasthan, and national dress Assam, Jammu and Kashmir. You should know both men and women. You can write both also, other one. Okay. So write down all the questions in your classwork. Find out the answer in the video, write down and keep practicing it. Okay. Thank you.